Is going to the spiritual world automatic? Yes. It is not a matter of choice or qualification. Each person was created as a being whose spirit is eternal. Life in the spirit world is simply the next step after life on earth, just as life on earth is the natural step after life in the womb. Physical birth occurs when a baby, after spending 9 months in a small, dark and warm place composed mainly of water, suddenly pushes through the birth canal into a bright and expansive new world, made where the most important thing to live is air, oxygen. There is a similar sequence of events in our birth in the next life. Those who have had an NDE describe a dark tunnel leading to a bright light where loved ones await their arrival. The most important thing in the spiritual world to live well and happily is how much we spiritually breathe in God's love and share it with others. That's why God's spiritual world is a kingdom of love and heart. It should be noted, however, that if a person has been educated to believe that there is no life after death, he or she may not recognize the natural process that occurs automatically. There are those who describe this lack of knowledge as an incredible injustice, because the transition to the other world is confusing and the spirit may wander indefinitely without the body, continuing to live on earth together with the people with whom it shared its earthly life, not feeling part of a spiritual life and world. This condition may persist until a spiritual guide is sent to rescue and re-educate the lost soul and above all help it through the spiritual tunnel that allows passage into the reality of the spiritual world.